Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. Firstly, you need to access Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Then access device settings and tap on apps section. Over here you need to click on default apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on browser app, set up my Opera by clicking on it and tap on the back button. As you can see, default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!